Hi everybody, I'm Delina. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and I live in New York City. I'm excited to show you how to use Kiss Falscara today, so let's get into it. The first step is to apply bond to your natural lashes. A little goes a long way. The second step is to use the applicator and to pick up a wisp from the tray. We're going to start with the long and we're going to place it at the end of the lash. And then we're going to do two mediums and a short. Make sure to place the lashes on the actual natural lash versus the skin underneath your lashes. And that's it. The third step is the seal. It's on the other side of the bond. And I'm going to take this and apply it directly to the lashes. This is going to help seal everything in and also get rid of any stickiness from the bond. Step 4 is the overnighter, and this is to get 10 days of wear. You're going to apply the applicator directly to the wisps. All right, so this is the final look, and this is me in Falscara. Really easy to apply. I loved using it, and I got it done in about 10 minutes for both eyes. All right, so let's remove Falscara. So first you need the remover. You're gonna shake it up, you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna put it onto a cotton pad. Next, you're gonna take the cotton pad and put it directly onto the eye. Leave it here for about 10 seconds. Lashes. Falscara comes in a variety of styles. The one that I'm wearing right now is the natural wispy wisp. You can also wear the lengthening wispy, which is a little bit lighter, a little bit less definition than the ones that I have on right now. Or you can try the extra drama, which is what I have on right now. This is great for a night out with friends. Or you can do the petite volume, which is a little bit less, more like play it cool. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and trying Falscara. Have fun.